In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix profile error issues in Google Chrome. We're focusing on resolving that pesky profile error occurred message that might be popping up for you. This is a common problem, but don't worry, it's definitely fixable, and I'll guide you through it step by step. First things first, let's begin by opening up your Google Chrome browser. This might sound basic, but it's essential to ensure you're experiencing the same problem we're addressing here. Once Chrome is open, you should see, or may have already seen, a notification that states a profile error has occurred. This often happens when there's an issue in your browser's profile or data. We're going to try some straightforward steps to resolve this. Next, you'll want to make sure that Google Chrome is completely updated to the latest version. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over Help, and then click on About Google Chrome. This section will automatically check for updates and will install any that are pending. Ensuring your Chrome is up to date can often solve these kinds of glitches, as updates may contain fixes for known issues. If updating doesn't fix the problem, let's move on to the next method. Sometimes corrupted browser data can be the culprit. To tackle this, we'll clear the cached data. Once again, click on that three-dot icon at the top right, then select More Tools, and from there, Clear Browsing Data. A new window will pop up, and here you'll want to choose All Time from the Time Range drop-down menu. Make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are checked before you click the Clear Data button. This will clear any corrupted data that might be causing the profile error. If the issue still persists, we have another technique, creating a new user profile in Chrome. To do this, click on the profile icon in the top right of your browser and then select Add. This will create a new profile, allowing you to transition from the old one that's giving you trouble. You can transfer your bookmarks and settings to ensure you have everything you need, but often just creating a fresh profile can resolve persistent problems. Finally, if none of the above steps work, a more advanced option might involve reinstalling Chrome. Uninstalling and reinstalling can seem drastic, but it effectively wipes out existing problems and gives you a clean slate. To uninstall, go to your computer's settings, find Apps, and locate Google Chrome in the list. After uninstalling, simply download Chrome from the official website and reinstall it. I hope one of these solutions has worked for you, allowing you to browse without any interruptions. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.